Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. Accidentally deleting important files can be stressful, but don't worry. Wondershare Recoverit is here to help you recover lost data from various devices such as your computer, USB drive, hard drive, SD card and more. This powerful tool is designed to retrieve photos, videos, documents and other files, even from damaged or corrupted systems. With advanced features like enhanced photo recovery and the file repair, Wondershare Recoverit offers a reliable and straightforward solution for restoring your lost data. Imagine you have just returned from a family vacation. So the link of Wondershare Recoverit is available in the video description. So let's try it. So time to put on your silly belts. Let's get started. So let's talk about how you can download it. Link is available in the video description. Simply click on it and first of all download it. After downloading, install this and after installation launch the software. And here is user-friendly interface. Upon launching Recoverit, you will be prompted to choose the location where the data was lost. This could be your computer, an external drive, hard drives or a specific folders. The software supports a wide variety of devices including USB drives, SD card, NAS devices and even Linux system. Whether you are recovering files from your computer or external storage devices, Wondershare Recoverit make it easy to retrieve lost files, ensuring you don't lose important memories or critical documents. The process is quick, efficient and designed to cater to users of all levels. After selecting the location, click the Start button to begin scanning for lost file using Recoverit. The scanning process depends on the size of your storage and your computer speed. So it may take some time, however you have the flexibility to pause or stop the scan at any point. As the scan processes, Recoverit organizes discovered files for easy navigation. Those files are sorted either by type such as PDF, videos and images or by their original location on the storage devices. This organized display helps you quickly locate specific files, ensuring a more efficient recovery process. When the scan is complete, Recoverit will display a list of recoverable files. You can preview these files to verify they are the ones you need. Once confirmed, select the desired file to click on the Recover button. Ensure you choose a safe location to the safe recovered file, preferably on a different drive or storage devices to avoid overwriting data and ensure successful recovery. This process ensures your lost files are restored efficiently and securely. Save your recovered file to different drive to prevent overwriting existing data. And that's it. Our data is recovered. And here are the results. So enhanced photo and video recovery is a standout feature of Wondershare Recoverit designed to retrieve high quality images and repair corrupted video files. This capability ensures user can restore precious memories or vital visual data even after accidental deletion or damage. Crash recovery is another standout feature enabling user to recover data from crashed computer or systems, whether due to hardware failure, software error or system crashes. This feature ensures critical file can still be accessed and restored, minimizing disruption and potential data loss. So Wondershare Recoverit offers a comprehensive solution for data recovery, from simple file retrieval to repairing corrupted media and recovering data from system crash. With its user-friendly interface and robust feature, user can confidentially restore deleted PDF, audio files, videos, images without stress. Simply download the software using the link provided and experience hassle-free recovery. And that's it for this video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.